Good morning, dear students. Once again, I am here, Dinesh Chaurasia, with the online studies. So today's topic, class 10, matrices. First of all, some basic concept about matrices. Matrices is nothing but to write the numbers or the number of objects to be written in a proper form in rows and columns. Okay. So numbers in rows and columns, and inside the big bracket is called matrices, like 2, 4, 6, 8. If we take an example for this, let us assume that Ram has 8 pens. If Ram has 8 pens, that means 8 can be written inside the big bracket, and it is assumed that number 8 is the number of pens. If we say Ram has 8 pens and 6 pencils, 8 pens and 6 pencils. So this also can be written as 8, 6, and inside this big bracket. So this is the basic concept about matrices. If we take 2-3 people and 2 objects for each person, like Ram, Shyam and Mohan. There are 3 people, Ram, Shyam and Mohan, and Ram has 8 pens and 6 pencils. Shyam has 2 pens, 7 pencils. Mohan has 4 pens and 3 pencils. So the arrangement of writing these numbers, these objects' names in rows and columns, like we can write as like 8, 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. This horizontal line is called rows and vertical lines are called columns. So rows are representing the objects, columns are representing the names of the object, like these are pens, these are pencils, and this first row belongs to Ram, second row belongs to Shyam, and third row belongs to Mohan. So this is the basic concept about matrices. So number of rows, number of columns will be there. So the combination of rows and columns, numbers written in the form of rows and columns inside the big bracket is called matrices. So after this basic concept, we have to study about types of matrices and the mathematical operations or operations in matrices. Operations means plus, minus, into and divide. Mainly plus and multiplication is my main motto to teach you. Okay. So we will see how many types of matrices are there. There are so many types of matrices. Among them, first of all, you can say is rectangular matrix. What is a rectangular matrix? A rectangular matrix is when you have number of rows and number of columns different. So if we write any matrix like 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, this is a matrix T. This is row 1, this is row 2, this is column 1, column 2 and column 3. So 2 cross 3 matrix this one is. We have 2 rows and 3 columns, and 2 is not equal to 3 because number of rows and number of columns are different. So this is an example of rectangular matrix. Okay. Now second one is square matrix. Same. What is a square matrix? When number of rows and number of columns are same, then that kind of matrix is called a square matrix. If we take an example, we can write 2, 4, 6, 8. See, we have row 1, row 2, column 2. So this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. So it is called square matrix. Now after that we have null matrix. What is null matrix? When all the elements of the matrix are 0, then that kind of matrix is called null matrix or zero matrix. So elements will be all 0, 0. And now we have diagonal elements. What are diagonal elements? Listen. If we talk about diagonal elements, if we have any matrix like 2, 3, 4, 5, so this part is called the diagonal of the matrix, and these 2 and 5 are the diagonal elements of the matrix. Okay. Now we have, you can say, diagonal elements, diagonal matrix, and we have row matrix and column matrix. What is row matrix? When we have only one row, a matrix of the form this 1 cross 3, one row, 3 columns. Row is only one, so we have the definition of row matrix in the same way. This is what row matrix. And what about column matrix? For column matrix, in the same way like row, we have column. Only one column is there. So, see, 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, 3 cross 1. So, this is the column matrix. So, we have rectangular matrix, square matrix, null matrix, diagonal elements and the diagonal of the matrix. Then afterwards, row and column matrix. Okay. Some more examples are there. And we have identity or unit matrix. Let us see what is identity or unit matrix. Just now I told you what is diagonal elements or diagonal of the matrix. When all the elements of the diagonal, all the diagonal elements are 1, then that kind of matrix is called what? Diagonal matrix or identity matrix. Okay. If the diagonal of the matrix is 1, then it is what? Identity or unit matrix. So far we have discussed about diagonal elements, diagonal matrix and identity. Then one very important matrix we have is transpose of the matrix. What is transpose of the matrix? Listen. Transpose of the matrix. If we have any matrix like A, B, C, D, matrix are represented by the capital letters of the alphabet. Okay. So if this is A, so transpose of A means a small t is written here. So transpose of A means rows will be interchanged to columns and columns will be interchanged to rows. So A, B, C, D. Now this is what? Transpose of the matrix. Transpose of matrix is written as A dash also. Okay. So now we have all the type of matrices, rectangular matrix, square matrix, null matrix, unit or identity matrix. Then we have row matrix, column matrix, and afterwards we have transpose of matrix. Okay. So after transpose of matrix, one more example is there, or one more type of matrix you can say is there is equality of matrix. What is equality? Two matrices are said to be equal if and only if the order of matrix is same. The first condition, order of matrix should be same, and the second part is each and every corresponding element of the matrix should be same. Corresponding element of the matrix should be same. If we take an example like we have a matrix A, B, C, D, we have matrix 3, 4, 5 and 6 and they are equal. If they are equal, then we can say A is equal to 3, B is equal to 4, C is equal to 5 and D is equal to 6. So if two matrices are equal, then equality of matrix will be happening only and only if we have order of matrix same. See, this is 2 cross 2 matrix and this also is 2 cross 2 matrix, so the order is same and corresponding elements should be equal. If it is same, if the question is saying that they are equal, so A, the value of A will be 3, value of B will be 4, value of C will be 5 and value of D will be 6. So this is all about basic concept. Now we will go through the mathematical operations or operations on matrices. What operations on matrices we have to study? Operations on matrices. Operations means addition of matrices. Second one is multiplication. Multiplication of matrices with a number. And third one is multiplication of matrices, matrix with the matrix. Okay, multiplication of matrix with a number, and multiplication, same thing, multiplication of matrices. Okay, so these three we have to study. Now first of all we will do the addition of matrices. Addition of matrices is very easy. Let us take some examples. If any matrix we have A, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B, 1, 2, 5, 6. So A plus B means 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 5, and 5 plus 6. As we can see, we have added corresponding, I have added corresponding elements 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 5, and 5 plus 6. Corresponding elements we have to add. So answer will be 3, 5, 9, and 11. So this will be the way to add the matrices. Okay. If we have to multiply any number by the matrix, like if we have any matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 has to be multiplied by this. So if this kind of situation you get, then multiplication of any matrix with a number is 2 will be multiplied by each and every element of the given matrix. 2 has to be multiplied by each and every element of the given matrix. So answer will be 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay. So this is the answer. Now the main point is to multiply a matrix by a matrix. Listen very carefully. If we have any matrix 2, 4, 6, 8, 3, 2, 3, 9, or let us take 5, different numbers, and now we have to multiply this. This is matrix A, this is matrix B, and we have to find the product of the matrix. To find the product of matrices, we have some rules. Let us do this example first. Afterwards, I will be explaining some other things. Okay. So, as I have told you, this is row and this is column. Listen very carefully. This first row, first element will be multiplied by this, and second will be multiplied by this. Okay. First row, first column. First row and first column. Listen carefully. 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5. First row, first column. First element is first one, second one will be multiplied by the second one. Again, this first row is second one. 2 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 9. This one we have done, this one we have done. Again, this 6 and 8. Second row with this one plus 8 multiplied by 5. These two we have multiplied by these two. Again, this 6 multiplied by 2 plus 8 multiplied by 9. Okay. If there is any doubt, please practice it. I will be giving some more examples. Listen carefully. Now the answer will be 2 3s are 6 plus 4 5s are 20. 2 2s are 4 plus 4 9s are 36. 6 3s are 18 plus 8 5s are 40. 6 2s are 12 plus 8 9s are 72. We will have 26, we will have 40, we will have 58, and we will have 84. And this is the answer. How to multiply two matrices. Some more conditions are there for the multiplication of matrices. This is just the basic concept. In the second video, we'll meet with some more examples, some more facts with the multiplication of matrices. Till then, thank you so much.